simple control unit with the wires, the cigarette charger, and plug it in for power. That's it. That's all you have to do to update, to bring it up to date.
The second generation Toyota Prius, also known as the Prius 2.0, was produced from 2003 to 2009. The infotainment system in the Prius was a notable upgrade from its predecessor, offering improved functionality and connectivity options for a more enhanced driving experience.
So we're going to bring the system up to date by using our new smartphone. All you got to do is plug it in to the system. So now we're going to turn up the system. Turn on the radio.
40 weeks or 52 weeks is a whole year. What? So
set your radio to 87.9 right here. All you got to do is set your radio to 87.9. That's all you got to do to bring this Prius. Let me show you again. We set the radio to 87.9. We turn up the volume so you can hear it. All we got to do is connect it to the car.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
See? Your music will be loud and clear without hissing or static. You will also be able to talk hands-free. When a phone call comes in, simply press this button and you'll be able to talk hands-free. And when you're done, press this button again and the music resumes. You will also be able to integrate the new GPS functions to this radio, so you can use GPS app like Waze to hear all your instructions through the radio while you enjoy your music, podcast, or whatever you do while you drive. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com.
Hi, I'm Mary from Southern Florida, and I want to tell you about my experience. I purchased a Gizmo Guy gadget to enable my 2004 Lexus to be Bluetooth compatible. This product was very easy to install. I'm not a technical person, but the directions were very simple. When I first got it, I wasn't able to match up any frequency in my area, so I contacted Wesley, who promptly responded to me and assisted me in finding the right frequency. He also kept in contact with me throughout to make sure that the product was working correctly and I was satisfied. I would highly recommend this product. It really delivers what it says it does. Not only that, but his customer service is excellent. Thank you, Wesley.
Get yours at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.